I want a pet meerkat.
Oh god.
And I'll live in a manor. And it'll be called Merecat Manor.
This is so funny looking. Oh. Look at the other ones all curled up and sleeping. You can go in this room, I think. Up in here.
Oh, that one's down.
Like you didn't go on it.
There's a big one that's small.
Huh?
A small one.
Yeah, they're curled up. That one's just fat looking.
One came out of the hole.
Oh, really?
Look at the ones. Oh, they were sleeping a second ago.
Yeah.
They go home, they go home.
Hiya, Simba.
The circle of life. I'm sorry.
He couldn't help himself.
Kuna Matata. No. Alright, I'm done with the line.
They know the words. One of them does.
Yeah, one of them.
Timon!
They were all named Timon to avoid confusion.
I think he just likes to be annoying.
I always thought Timon was a ferret.
No, he's a meerkat.
These meerkats look nothing like ferrets. No.
I like the fat one that's just chilling there. He's like not gonna move. Is he even real? It's the only one I took a picture of.
Oh yeah, he just moved.
Okay.
Or like he moved enough to tell it was real.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah. Like I started to, like, is it a statue? He's like, I own all you can see here. I am the king of this land.
Probably. I just read something that he's like.
Yeah, I'm not risking that. What?
What is that bird? It's a tortoise.
They're cute.
It's a desert tortoise.
Look how cute his little face is. And look at the little chipmunk things.
I was over here a second ago and like one of those was attacking the turtle.
What?
Yeah, he was all inside his shell. I was like, oh. Yeah, she might get attacked. She want that on tape.
Oh my god, look at him walk.
I know.
That's cool.
Look, he's using his wing to walk.
They're like sloths, but different.
Look how cool. Yeah, they're not slow.
Yeah, they're like fast sloths. He's like, no, Roddy's coming after me. That fruit doesn't
Well,
look
they're gonna
too
start fighting over the food. He's like, get away from me.
Obviously, there's plenty.
They are fighting though. These two are fighting too.
Look at how it's like a classic thing.
Those two are fighting too. You missed it.
Bats are jerks to each other.
That's a
I would be a
trick.
jerk if I had to share my house with all those people too.
Yeah, and they're like flying creatures. They have to stay in that little cage.
What's that?
I had no idea.
So fogged up, huh?
Got a little.
It smells. Yeah, they like to eat fruit just like you do. Oh, they're bats. That's Keenan. Did you miss the bats?
Bats.
Look right here.
Are they active?
Yeah, they're moving around.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, they gotta look all dark and then.
They're big old fruit bats. Whoa. Look at the boy ones. Wow.
What?
Sorry.
Oh my goodness.
Just saying. It's like a rat. It's gross. I thought I wanted one of these once upon a time. I think I changed my mind.
You can get a female. It won't be as awkward.
Yeah, cockroaches.
So, aren't they all disease-ridden?
Apparently. I don't care. Look at their wings, for real.
Obviously,
I'm trying to
they're
touch
fruit
it.
bats.
Yeah. They're really cute though, except for that one thing.
Tarantulas. Oh no, that's the hedgehog.
That's a hedgehog, yeah. They'll probably switch them out.
Yeah. Wow, he's such a small area. Right here.
Look, there's a hedgehog.
There's a hedgehog. And then there's huge cockroaches.
Holy crap.
Yuck.
It's like, look, cockroaches. That's a
Look at them on the wall. I didn't even see those.
That's a great animal you see at a zoo.